Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to do this. So one day there was a mermaid named Ariel, and then she was swimming all the way to the corals to sneak there, and then she does. And then there was one mermaid who swam with her. And then she looked there, and then she said, "Who are you? Do you belong to the acid place in the butt?" And then and then she just turned behind, and she just swim and swim and swim.
Paano ka naman hindi high blood din? Pinagupitan yung aso namin. $60.
Going.
Tapos nung ako humingi ng pampagupit may clipper yung buhok ko.
Follow her.
Tapos nung nagkasakit yung aso, taranta sila Tapos nung ako, kayo Jessic lang daw pwede na.
And she was sleeping over
Malupit
here.
nung gumaling yung aso. Binilihan pa ng treats. Magkano rin yung treats? $60. Tapos nung ako humingi ng pamerienda kakain ko lang daw, kakain na naman. Parang hindi ako tao parang mas tao pa yung aso Paano ka naman hindi high blood din? Pinagupitan yung aso namin. $60. Tapos nung ako humingi ng pampagupit may clipper yung buhok ko. Tapos nung nagkasakit yung aso, taranta sila Tapos nung ako, kayo Jessic lang daw pwede na. Malapit nung gumaling yung aso, binilihan pa ng treats. Magkano rin yung treats?
One time,
$60.
there was a girl.
Tapos nung ako humingi ng pamerienda kakain ko lang daw, kakain na naman.
She doesn't have shoes.
Parang hindi ako tao parang mas tao pa yung aso
Where's the shoes? I need buttons, and then she wakes up in the tent, and then she turns her into her friend. Actually, the girl was following her. That's her friend.
Bam 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 bam.
And then
Bam 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 bam.
she forgot.
Alis ba tayo hindi?
And then
Hindi ka nagulat natin? Hindi. Bakit in-gulat mo ba ako? Sige, ulit. Nagulat kita. Sige, ulit.
And then one day
Sorry! Sorry,
and then she was swimming around with her shoes. The shoes actually belong. Then she saw her and she called friend, yeah, catch that girl. She was so pretty. Catch her. And then she catch her, and then she put her beside, and then with hands, he does the top. She get up and then she look at her. And she wants to swim and find something. But then she finds a treasure. She found the treasure, and then she did it with her. That's mine. No, it's not mine. It's yours. And I saw shit. I wish I could have you bags.
Meron po ako isang panawagan sa ABS.
Is there any other way for me?
Nagpapakumbaba
No.
ako.
He's over for me.
Ikaw.
And then she noticed it was the Fansu and Lisa Samu. And then she found out she finally made so.
Tanggalin natin yung kulangot mo na.
Yabang, panggap mayaman, kastang mahirap. Ganun talaga. Iba talaga pag medyo mamahalin talaga yung gamit mo.
And then she saw there were, and so there are humans. What? You're humans? Ah, we're humans! Yay! Hug! Finally, snow.
For all the
She was so happy. Oh, me. Look at the difference I have. Around here. Since I have a beautiful green tail. And my name is Celia. So beautiful. Yes. Be on shore. Ah, yes.
Nakulong ako, sir, dahil sa snowbird, sir.
Oh,
Bakit?
yes,
Snowbird, sir, na
yeah.
hindi. Bakit po ba?
And then,
Bumili ako, sir. Yung
look at
candy
the
nila,
shoes.
natumba dun sa may harap, sir. May CCTV, sir. Lumabas yung isang pirasong candy, pinuha ko, sir. Yun ang naging kaso ko, sir, na
I don't want to cook.
nakulong ako ng... Hindi ko naman sir, akalain nga ikakulong ko yung candy na yun. Ilang buwan po ay nakulong? Taon din, sir. Taon din? May isang taon, sir. Nakulong pala kayo.
I don't want
Talagang nakakakulong.
Just keep going.
Yung atol sa inyo. Grabe na. Ay, bawat napagod na. Napagod ka, Bishira.
Where's your circle? I'm not done yet, okay, sis? Should have been.
Ay, sir! Di na po kayo!
No.
Di na po kayo! 150 po! Oo, 150 boss! Pandino ka lang, may libre pa tanan, dugo! Oo, may libre. Saan po? Sa manok, sa baboy? Sa baboy, ano po yan? 400? 400 sa baboy? Sa manok, para sa'yo, 300 na lang.
She said it. And then
Sa Guapo,
she did.
mga item na to, 100 na lang.